What up, YouTube? Third box of the break. Our first of 2 boxes of Premier. I'm trying to do both these boxes in one video. Good luck, everybody. Shout out to Jason Big Fish, who just jumped in the room. Upper Deck Premier, always a fan favorite. Wheel Guy, what team you got? Wheel Guy's got the Dodgers. I would have traded you the Dodgers for the Rays, man. You'd already have a Scott Kazmir. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Mets. A base for Carlos Delgado out of 99. Delgado for the Mets. Then for the Mariners, nice. It's a nice rookie auto. Vladimir Valentin. Probably doesn't get too much pub because he's in Seattle. He's a good prospect. Vladimir Valentin for the Mariners. Then for the Twins, here you go. This is a nice one. Mauer, Morneau, and Santana, triple jersey, number 31 out of 50 for the Twins. Mauer, Morneau, and Santana. Then for the Angels, real nice patches on this card. Howie Kendrick, triple patch, or actually 2 patches in a jersey, number 21 out of 47 for the Angels. I believe that's 1 Gem Raz, is that right? Yeah, 1 Gem Raz, there you go. Triple patch. Then our manufactured patch is for the Reds. Joe Morgan, 10-time All-Star for the Reds. Got a Joe Morgan there. That one's numbered out of 75. Here we go. For Wheel God for the Dodgers. And if you want to trade for this, I'll trade you for it. But here's a Hong-Chi Kuo quad jersey, numbered out of 50. I'm a big Hong-Chi Kuo fan. Says Hong on there, Hong-Chi Kuo for the Dodgers. Wow. Holy shit. Get ready to shit your pants, boys. Get ready to shit your pants. Number 8 out of 20, triple jersey auto of Derek Jeter. Triple jersey auto, Derek Jeter. I'd say that's pretty nice. Yeah. Real nice. 3 pinstripes. Jeter auto. So, Yankees. There you go, Sirfo J. Congrats, man. That's box 1 of Premier. Let's do box 2. We'll do it on the same vid. Here we go. Yeah, you're good to go. That's a sweet looking card. Wait till you see that thing in person. Pack 2, here you go. On the top, got a Jeremy Bonderman for the Tigers, number 2 out of 15. And for the Twins are doing great in this break. Jose Morales, rookie auto, numbered out of 58. Numbered out of 58. Jose Morales, rookie auto, Twins. Wow, Mets aren't doing bad either. Here's a quad jersey for the Mets. Delgado, Reyes, Pedro, and Carlos Beltran, number to 25. It's pretty nice. Then, for the Yankees, who didn't need to get anything else, but now they got a nice dual patch of Don Mattingly. Donnie Baseball. 2 really nice patches there. And for the Tigers, a Justin Verlander Premier Patches, numbers at 75, says no hitter for Verlander. For the Tigers, sorry, Verlander. Wow, now this is a nice one. Some Hall of Fame stuff here. Brooks Robinson, Mike Schmidt, and Wade Boggs, triple jersey, numbered out of 50. Brooks, Mike, and Wade. There you go. And the last card for the Mets, again, very nice auto. Tom Glavine out of 25. Tom Glavine auto. Pretty, not too often you come across the Tom Glavine autos. But thanks for watching, guys. That's the 2 boxes of Premier. We'll come right back and we got prime cuts to go. Peace.